part of the Cosmo Work From Home edition. Since we're all locked up here in our homes, wondering what to do with our hair and wondering what to do with fringes, they're getting a little bit out of control. So I'm here to help and guide you through it as much as I possibly can. We've got my faithful model here who will sit there and let me do anything I want with her hair. So the thing that we need to make sure is the section. Don't go too far back, don't go too far down. Ideally, you need to keep it just before the edge of the eyebrow on either side. So, easiest way to do it is, if the fringe is already there, you'll already see that the section's there. You don't need to do too much to it. So, what I'll do is just get around with the swivel around. When you're doing a fringe, the lower you hold it when you cut it, the lower the angle here, the more blunt. The higher the angle here, the softer the edge. So if you want a very blunt finish, it needs to be cut down. If you're after a soft finish, you need to drag the hair out and cut it. Should make sense, fairly easy. However, sometimes if you're doing it wet, obviously you have to understand that the hair shrinks up. So I tend to do it dry, just to make sure that what you're cutting, you know you're actually getting that. So, I'm not allowed to cut too much off Marilyn's hair. She smiles. That looks good, yeah? So with her hair, because we're growing the fringe, I just want to soften up the edge of it. So what I'll be doing on dry hair is taking it out, as you can see on that angle, and then chipping into it this way. And then letting it go. Again, taking it out, chipping into it, and then letting it go. By chipping into it, what you're doing is creating a soft line versus a hard line. So you're not only taking it out, but you're also chipping into it. Okay? So work your way through both sides. I've taken the section in two parts. Nothing too extreme because we're locked away for who knows how long, and I don't want to be pushed to the terrace or pushed on the balcony and have to live there for the next 2 to 3 weeks or month or whoever knows. So I'm not going to take too much off. So again, I took it out. You can actually take it up on that angle and you'll get a softer line still. Okay? So let me just make sure we're okay. Let's get you to swivel around and we'll have a look. I haven't taken a great deal off, and it's a very soft edge to it. So you can see it still separates, and it still looks very natural, but it's not in her eyes. So I hope that helps, and I hope that you don't have any disasters or don't try and do too much to it. And as I said, don't take it too far back and don't take it too far down.